Interested in a luxury sweet gift? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. Yes, as you see in the picture, Fabelle is one of the luxurious chocolate brands in the world, and it makes a perfect gifting for any of your festive seasons or occasions. So present this luxurious premium sweet gift to your loved ones. They will enjoy. And coming to the flavors, you have limited edition flavors in this. Some fruits and nut and milk going into it. These taste like Swiss chocolates. Apart from that, coming up next, I'll tell you. Okay, as you see in the picture, these are available on Amazon stores at 25% off, and also you have got the official website. You have different kinds of assorted gift hampers. You can check out. I'll provide the link in the description box. If you want, you can purchase. It's got pretty good packing, as you see in the picture. It has got gold and silver wrap going around it. This chocolate melts in your mouth and it's a perfect dessert. You can say it's a mousse, and it has got 5 sensations of taste. That means your taste buds can capture sweet, bitter, sour, salty and spicy flavors going into this. Because let me tell the specialty of this chocolate. This chocolate is made from cocoa powder, which is from Ghana. You all know that. How Ghana cocoa powder has made its remarkable identity in beauty products and chocolate making. Okay, apart from Ghana cocoa powder, you have exotic additions such as Anko chili, acacia nectar, and you have French salt. So these are some of the exotic additions to the chocolate that makes the chocolate different from other chocolate brands, and it's the most luxurious brand in this world. It's expensive, but it's healthy because 84% of chocolate is made from cocoa powder, which is from Ghana. So you can try and let me know in the comment section, how is the chocolate taste? Is it sweet, bitter, or with mixed flavors, right? Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.